Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So this is the painting you guys are going to see in the video today. It is a gradient Dutch pour. Really loving how this turned out, you guys. Like, I really love this two-color gradient. And I wasn't sure about the gold. I kind of added it as a last-minute decision. I didn't want it to be too sparkly, but yeah, I really like it though. I'm glad I added it because I do think it gives it some added shine, which I really like. So I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately. I have posted a lot of shorts videos, kind of like reels, but I haven't posted any longer videos, and that's because I've been very busy. I've been doing festivals and I've been doing a lot of in-person classes, but I'm finally back in my studio, so I'm finally going to be here to create more paintings. So yeah, really happy about that. Really excited for that. If you're interested, I have an online course for this technique at crystalcoastoriginals.com. And I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.